You stretch, you warm up, you even foam roll, but every morning you still wake up stiff. And if you're over 40, it's easy to believe this is just part of getting older. The truth is, stiffness isn't simply age. It's your body trying to send you signals. In this video, we'll cover 7 hidden reasons men over 40 stay stiff, and how to fix each one. And it starts with the one mineral most men are missing, magnesium. Here's the thing. Magnesium regulates more than 300 reactions in your body. It controls how muscles contract and relax. Without it, calcium lingers in your muscles and keeps them partly contracted. That constant tension, it shows up as morning stiffness, leg cramps, restless sleep. And most men don't even know they're deficient. Research from the NIH shows over half of adults fall short of the daily magnesium requirement. You'll find it in spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, fatty fish. But if your diet isn't enough, magnesium glycinate is one of the most effective forms. One option we recommend is Nature's Bounty Magnesium Glycinate. It's highly absorbable, gentle on the stomach, and supports both muscle relaxation and deeper sleep. Aim for 200 to 400 milligrams daily, always with your doctor's approval. Link in description. Collagen gives your joints and tendons their flexibility, but starting in your 30s, you lose about 1% of it every year. That means tendons get tighter, cartilage gets thinner, and joints feel like they're grinding instead of gliding. The fix? Support collagen production. Vitamin C from citrus or bell peppers helps your body make collagen naturally, and supplementing with collagen peptides has been shown in clinical studies to improve mobility in adults. Muscle loss? Sarcopenia. Another silent reason is muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Men over 40 can lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade if they don't strength train. And when the muscles around your joints weaken, those joints carry more of the load, leading to stiffness and pain. The good news? Resistance training works. 2 to 3 strength sessions each week can stop and even reverse sarcopenia. And to fuel that muscle, aim for 0.7 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. Dehydration and electrolytes. But it's not just muscles. Hydration plays a role too. Your joints contain synovial fluid, essentially motor oil for your body. Even mild dehydration lowers that fluid, leaving joints dry and stiff. Most men simply don't drink enough water. And when you add sweat, caffeine, or alcohol, electrolytes like magnesium, potassium, and sodium get drained even faster. The fix? Hydrate steadily through the day. If you're active, add an electrolyte mix to your water. Sedentary lifestyle. Of course, stiffness isn't just about nutrients. It's about movement, or the lack of it. Long hours at a desk tighten your hips, shorten your hamstrings, and slow blood flow to your lower back. Over time, your body simply adapts to sitting. The fix is simple. Movement snacks. Every 30 to 60 minutes, stand up, walk around, or stretch for just 60 seconds, and aim for at least 7,000 steps a day. Think of it as lubrication for your joints. Hormonal shifts. Now let's talk hormones. Testosterone declines about 1% a year after midlife. Lower testosterone means slower repair, less muscle, and more inflammation. At the same time, high stress drives up cortisol. Cortisol keeps your body in alert mode, and one effect is chronic muscle tension. The fix? Build habits that support hormones. Prioritize sleep, cut down on alcohol, and lift weights consistently. And interestingly, magnesium helps here too. It lowers cortisol and supports healthy testosterone. Poor sleep and recovery. Deep sleep is when your body repairs itself. Growth hormone is released, muscle fibers are rebuilt, and inflammation goes down. If you're cutting corners on sleep, your body never gets a full reset, and stiffness builds day after day. The fix is straightforward. Keep a consistent bedtime, dim the lights in the evening, and cut screens an hour before bed. And yes, magnesium glycinate before bed has been shown to improve sleep quality in many adults. So let's recap. Stiffness after 40 isn't just getting old, it's magnesium deficiency, it's collagen decline, it's muscle loss, dehydration, too much sitting, hormonal shifts, and poor sleep. Each of these adds a layer to the problem. But here's the good news, each one also has a fix. And when you stack these fixes, the results add up. Your mornings get easier, your workouts feel smoother, even everyday things, tying your shoes, climbing stairs, or getting out of bed, stop feeling like a chore. Think about it. Address magnesium, support collagen, build muscle, hydrate, move, balance hormones, and sleep better. That's not just stiffness solved. That's mobility, energy, and resilience for the next 20 to 30 years of your life. I know how frustrating it is to wake up every day feeling locked up. But stiffness isn't permanent. It's your body asking for support. And once you give it what it needs, you'll be surprised how quickly you can feel younger and stronger again. Here's what we recommend. Start with one change this week. Add magnesium-rich foods, spinach, pumpkin seeds, fatty fish. If diet alone isn't enough, consider supplementing. We've linked our recommended magnesium glycinate in the description. Nature's Bounty Magnesium Glycinate. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you. And don't stop there. In the coming weeks, build on it. Take short walks every hour. Add 2 to 3 strength workouts a week. Fix your bedtime routine. Each habit you layer makes stiffness less of a problem, and mobility more of your reality. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more weekly science-backed tips to thrive in your second prime. Because this phase of life isn't about decline, it's about building strength, energy, and longevity that lasts. If this video helped you in any way, even one small change you'll try tonight, leave a like. It tells the algorithm to show it to someone else who might need it. And if you want more clear, science-backed ways to protect your body and sharpen your mind after 40, stick around for more. Your second prime isn't about going back. It's about staying sharp, steady, and strong.